Hey, I wanted to share something really cool. If you are a designer and you own a Adobe subscription, whether it be Creative Cloud or Photoshop or just Illustrator, did you know you can actually get access to 750,000 assets? Legit, I'm gonna show you now because I know a lot of designers that don't know about this, so I wanna share it with you. So if you go to stock.adobe.com, you can actually filter by category, and all you gotta do is click down to free, and then I can type something. Let's just say future pattern, and you'll get a whole bunch of different results. Now, all you gotta do is make sure you're logged in to your Adobe account. So on the top right, you can see I'm logged into my email, as you can see there. And so I can license any of these type of assets. You got images, you got some 3D, you've got, photos, and also vectors and illustrations. So for example, if I wanted to download like a background or whatever it is, I can click license. And so that will license that image and it will save to my default library. It will also download into your computer. So I'll click save here. And so you can see now I've got this image just like this. And so I can use that for commercial use or whatever I want. And let's type funnel. And so you can see all these cool stuff. Obviously you are limited because it is free assets. So you got to make sure that, you find whatever you like, search for the right stuff. So type that. Let's type e-commerce icons. We'll try that one. And boom, look at all these icons that you can get. Super cool. License for free, and you can click save to library or open in app. If I click open, I'll click Illustrator, and I can load up Illustrator straight from Adobe Stock. Like, that's pretty cool, pretty neat. If you don't have a subscription to, something like Envato Elements, I will put a link in the description if you want to do that. But here is some free assets for you to use instead of like going on just like Unsplash or some other free websites. You can just check out Adobe Stock. Now, another cool thing is actually you get templates, right? So if I type in business card, you get mock-ups. So there's templates. There's usually things like posters, flyers, and stuff like that, signage, a whole bunch of cool stuff. Like even this one's pretty cool. So now you can see that icon pack that I did open up before. It's in Illustrator, and I can come in here and like customize and edit and do like whatever I want with these icons, really. So it's really cool, great free assets. And you can see in my libraries right here, I've got the file says AI. And if you have a cart, shopping cart, it might need to license. So you just click the button and it will license. And you can see that other image before that I downloaded is right in the libraries as well. So it's a great tool. It's amazing. Definitely check it out. It's free. This video is not sponsored. I just wanted to share this really cool tool with you, and hopefully it helps you out. If you do want to check other free resources, check out the video on the screen to watch that.